Hi everyone, Tammy Russell with Keller Williams Outer Banks Realty, and welcome to 1409 Theodore Street here in the heart of Kill Devil Hills on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. On the top level of this gorgeous home, we have a fully remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful hardwood flooring throughout this property, and high cathedral ceilings. The primary bedroom on the top floor offers 2 closets and a beautiful ensuite bathroom. Outdoor living is what the Outer Banks is all about, and this home does not disappoint, with a saltwater pool, hot tub, fenced-in backyard, and tons of deck space. Here on the mid-level, we have a second primary bedroom with its own ensuite and a spacious closet. Here's another generously sized bedroom that's attached with a Jack and Jill bath to the bunk room. On the ground floor, you're going to find a fabulous rec room that leads directly out to the pool area. Please reach out to schedule your viewing today, and I can answer any questions you may have on this amazing property.